The Blomgrens homesteaded there. His grandfather homesteaded there, and the road is named Blomgren Road. And so...
And he lived here all his life?
He lived here, was born here, yeah, in that house.
Charlie Blomgren, my father's father, he homesteaded 8 40s here. And he gave each of the boys that wanted to farm a 40, he gave my dad this 40, and the next one to Carl, the next one to Henry, next one to Axel, and then to Jalmer, and Paul, and Oscar. And
he was very angry about being in the hospital.
Oh.
He wanted to get home, and he worked that out so he could get home and die at home. That's when I think he decided what was going to happen with the stuff. That was the important thing, on somebody helping him get home.
People nowadays, the younger generation, they're not interested in the old ancient stuff. And so...
The tractor you're sitting on, what is it?
A 1020 case.
Yeah.
Yep. 1915. That's what that is.
That's a 3-wheel case. That's a pretty rare tractor too. That was a pretty unusual design of theirs. It wasn't the best design, but they couldn't see the front wheel, so they put an arrow on it so you can see where it's pointed.
Oh yeah.
All right, up next we should have lot number 104, the case 1020 single wheel engine, serial number 18426. All right, take a look there, go there, serial case 1020, ended up there, boys. What do you think of there? Someone give me 10,000, let's go. Give me 10,000 medals here now, 10, give me 10,000 medals here now, 10, give me 10,000 medals here, 10, 7,500, 2,000, now 5, 7,500, 10, now 12, 12, 15, 10, 15,000, 15, I mean you're off, 15,000, 15,000, 15, 13, 14, 14,000, 13, 14,000, 14, 14, 14,000, 14,000, 14, how about 13, 5, 13, 5, 13, 13, 13, 250, 13, 5 to you, 13, 5, 13, 250 on the phone, 13, 5, hey, 13, 13, 13, 5, 750, 13, 750, 13, 750, 13, 750, 13, now 14,000, Brian, you're out, hey, 14,000, I'm in, 13, 750, 14,000, 14, sold it, 13,750. Number 245, where'd it go? Texas, 245 going to Texas.